Hello. So this is my old computer, and it's old because uh, 3 days ago I got a new computer, main computer. So this will now be the secondary computer, and it's the i5 6600K, so it can't run Windows 11. So I decided to get a new PC and turn this one into some kind of server, maybe. I'm not sure what to install. Um, it will be some kind of Linux or FreeBSD. Yeah, I filled it up with a bunch of hard drives. And yeah, at the bottom you see the 4 drives. Three bottom ones are 500 gigabyte. They are really old. Then you see with the green label there, there's a green drive. It's 1 terabyte. And then up there, I got a couple of extra. And all the red cables are, basically mechanical drives. And they go to, I don't know if you can see it really, but over there, it's a 10 port card. You see 6 ports there, and there are 4 at the right at the back of the card. So there's adding extra 10 ports. It's basically an HBA card. It's not a RAID card, it's just regular HBA card. The only thing it does is to add extra ports. So yeah, and at the top I got 2 of these drive bays. So it's super heavy because of all the mechanical drives. You see this 9 mechanical drives in here. And there you can see, if I can move, oops, that's the front of it all. And finger in a way. So that's the front, and the top bay are for 2.5-inch drives. So I got 4 SSDs there. And then I got 5 mechanical drives, 3.5-inch. And the top one is actually, you see they have black cables. So the SSDs are actually connected directly to the motherboard. The motherboard have 4 SATA ports. And mechanical drives are connected to that sort of HBA card. So yeah, and it's this 6600K, as I said, and it's got 64 gigabyte of DDR4 RAM. They are regular 2100 or 2133 memory. So yeah, and what I did here was also replacing the fans at the back, and there's one at the front there as well. And in my new computer with a fractal design case, it sort of comes with 4 fans, 4 of these fans, and I replaced them with Noctua fans. So I decided to take 2 of these and take them into this case instead. So yeah, the front one is sort of cooling the hard drives a little bit. And I don't know, I think I might actually keep this as an open case, because the airflow in this case is not that great. And of course there's a fan over there as well in the drive cage. So yeah, we'll see if what I will run on this. I might run TrueNAS Core, because it has iSCSI and stuff, and it can also run some plugins and stuff, but I also want to be able to record my secondary computer that is back there behind that monitors. So I might actually run just a regular Ubuntu and create some software RAID of these. I don't know. So yeah, these are just for storage, and was it 9 mechanical, 4 SSDs up there in the bay. Then there's actually, now we can see it. Yeah, there you can see it. It's the Samsung NVMe drive. It's a 1 terabyte with a heatsink, and that will be sort of the boot drive for everything, and the rest of the drives will just be regular storage. So yeah, I hope it can handle the power. So we'll see when I start it up. So yeah, this will be kind of a storage server. And I don't know, yeah, I have the graphics card there as well. It's just a GTX 1650. So if I decide to choose Ubuntu and recording, I can use the NVIDIA encoder. But if I run actually TrueNAS, I'm going to remove that card. And the CPU have a built-in graphics. It's the HD Graphics 530, and the computer actually have, or the motherboard you see at the top there, almost, it's got the DVI connector and HDMI, and that is connected to the graphics in the CPU. So that's kind of nice to clear up some space with that graphics card, but we'll see what I do. I will start out with Ubuntu and we'll see what I will do next. And I might run some virtual machines on Ubuntu as well. So we'll see. So yeah, my little storage server. Catch you later.